Fix Google Chrome's out-of-memory error. 1. Close your unused tabs in Chrome. 2. Restart your Chrome browser via Chrome//restart shortcut. 3. Force relaunch Chrome via WTM. 4. Update your Chrome. 5. Check and turn off browser extensions. 6. Search then remove suspicious items with the recommended Avast Internet Security in this video guide. 7. Clear browsing data in Chrome. 8. Reset Chrome to the factory settings. 9. Uninstall then reinstall your Google Chrome browser.